Hey folks, welcome to the Waldo World. This is Waldo. Today we're making a beaded rubber band and loop paracord bracelet. We're using rubber bands, beads, paracord, a Waldo wire, a couple of rubber band hooks, a piece of foam, and a C-clip. To begin, we're going to make some of these rubber band bead combinations. We start by stretching a rubber band. Makes it easier to put through the Waldo wire. And a Waldo wire is just a piece of thin wire folded in half that you use to pull either cord or rubber bands through beads. It's 22 gauge, I believe. So anyway, let's stretch this rubber band. So put it through the middle. And put one of these beads through it. We're using one bead at a time. Just one bead in the middle of these. One. Two. And let's just do one more, just so you get the idea. Adjust if you'd like. Now we've got paracord. This is just a thin piece of paracord, and I've got enough to wrap twice around my wrist and about 5-inch tails on both sides, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this up, and the rubber band already placed itself right there. And wrap this around the middle. Okay. We want it as close to the middle as we can. And we want about those 5-inch tails there too, as a measurement. And then we are just going to fold this. So this should be about the size of my wrist. Okay. Now we'll take our foam, roll it up, and we're going to put it right through the middle here. And we're ready to start. We're going to start with our bead and rubber band combinations. We're going to take one, start on our left, push it under the paracord, pull your rubber band over, and pull it through. Like so. Now we're going to take the other hook and do the same thing on the other side. And this is how it should look. We're going to adjust this towards the bottom, or close to where we put the rubber band. So let's add some more, a couple more. Take your left hook, left side, rubber band. Under the paracord, turn your hook, bring it through. Now you're going to have two of these on here. If you're graceful, you can turn the hook and bring it in here. I usually am not, so I'm just going to pull this over the one below. And hook it that way. Now we're going to go to the other side through the rubber band, under the paracord, turn your hook, bring it through, adjust a little. See if I can do it this way since I'm right-handed. And I did, look. We've got two. Let's do one more. Through the rubber band, under the paracord, turn your hook, bring it through. Pull the rubber band, your previous rubber band over. There you go. Look what's happening. Now one more time. On the other side. And there you go. And I'm going to keep on. Okay, folks, a mid bracelet check. Just this is what it looks like. If it gets a little screwy, that's okay. You can adjust it. If you need to, you can also slip it off here and pull from the bottom or pull from the side. Just adjust. Let's do one more. Left, under, one, right, under, twist, through, loop. Alright folks, we've come to the end, so we're going to put one last one. Put your hook through the rubber band, under the paracord, rubber band over, pull through. And then hook that last one. Same way through this side. Through, under, hook that, pull it through. Pull it under, and there you go. And now we're going to do our C-clip. Oops. Okay, now we're going to take our C-clip, pull your rubber band through, and hook it. Take off your hook. Then do the other side. There you go. Now I'm not going to lie, I did some pretties. I did stretch these out. It's going to come out a little wonky, but what you want to do is pull it like so. The other thing you can do is you can come to this side and adjust, and that'll fix you up in the front also. And notice also though that this is also a bracelet on this side then. So you might want to fix that up too. So the last things we're going to do is we're going to knot these at the end. One loop, one through the loop, twice through the loop. If this is too frayed for you, make sure and just burn it. Make sure you have adult supervision. And there you go, folks. One beaded rubber band and loop paracord bracelets. As always, thank you for watching. If you like this video, like it. Why not subscribe? Ring the bell. Bye-bye till the next one.